Hey loves, it's me Destiny, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I reattach my locks. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. I'm going to give y'all like a little mini update about what's been going on. Basically, long story short, I'm cancer free. Woo! So you want to make sure your hair is combed out and your little lock in. You comb out your little lock in. Now what I do is I'm gonna place it at the base, like all the way up to the scalp. And the reason being is because if you don't, the lock has more chance of slipping out. So I'm gonna take that, lay your lock on top, and begin crocheting. Now if you guys don't know how to crochet, I do have a detailed video on that as well. So I'm like, wait, up against my scalp, okay? And that's important because you don't want that lock slipping out. So you're just gonna lightly crochet until the hair begins to bunch together. And basically what I'm doing is I'm just holding the hair in between my fingers and just pulling the crochet needle in, pulling it halfway in. You don't want to pull it all the way out. Right now, at about this stage, yes, it looks a little funky, it looks a little crazy. That's fine, but look, it's in there. All right, so you're gonna keep on crocheting, and now this is where we do the whole trying to firm it up, because now we got the hairs kind of meshed together. Now we got to start shaping our lock. I kind of like to go all the way down to where the loose hair is and like lightly crochet, and then go up, lightly crochet, go up a little more, lightly crochet, because I found that by doing this, less hair, I miss less hair this way. And you're just gonna keep rotating that lock between your hands, between your fingers, making sure you get every angle. It is very important, especially when it comes to reattaching. All right, so you see how we have this little bit sticking up at the base? This is what I mean by you gotta pull that hair in. So you wanna pull that hair in, see? I don't know if y'all can see that. But see, you want to make sure you pull that hair in. So, and when it comes to reattaching, yes, you need to make sure you're getting as close to that scalp as possible. Be careful though, because there was one lock that I did that was way too close to my scalp, and oh my gosh, it was so painful. We got it basically in there. Now all we gotta do is crochet it till it's firm. And that's very important. If it is not firm and you just crochet it till it's in there, it's gonna slip out within a day or two. Don't play. I'm gonna blend it. You want it to look seamless. You want it to look like it's growing out your scalp. The size of the crochet needle I'm using is a 0.9 millimeter. Do not rush this because you really want it to be firm. You don't want it to be any type of loose. You don't want it to feel spongy. Oh, that's not even a word. You don't want it to feel spongy. The reason why you want to crochet until the lock is firm is because it does soften up a bit. And so if you already have it soft, it's just gonna pop out your head. And stop every now and again and check out the shape of your lock, you know? Because you don't want to over crochet one side and then one side's all flat, the other side's all rounded. Y'all see how it basically looks like it's coming out the scalp? That's exactly what you want. You want it to look seamless. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video was beneficial to you, and I will see you guys later.